Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on autocorrection function on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the browse icon down below, which is the second option, and click on my iPhone. Then select the document. After that, tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the settings section, click on it, and then tap on the second option, auto correction. Here, as you can see, there are a bunch of options that you can choose from or turn on, such as check spelling, auto detect lists, detect web email links, detect phone links, apply link style, number suffixes, auto format fractions, and text replacement. Here, if you have turned on this last function, there is this replacement list section where you can choose from these options. So if you tap on them, you can select which format you want to use. So if you want to, for example, replace this button, you can either choose the phrase or the shortcut version. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.